Hi, today I'm going to be sharing with you the website that I created for the Assistive Technology Implementation Final Project. I am the Assistive Technology Coordinator in my school district, and over the couple years that I have been just looking into assistive tech and kind of gathering resources and learning a lot more about assistive tech, I've come across just a lot of good resources, and I was looking for a way to be able to share them with my team just in an easy to find place. So I've created this website. So first of all, the homepage, just lists all kind of like the topics that I chose to highlight. So what is assistive tech? And then I have some areas of difficulty like hearing impairments, visual impairments. I also have information on different iPad apps and Chromebook tools. And it's all linkable from, or all clickable from the homepage. And I'm going to go into all those areas in a second. Another thing that I highlight on my homepage is video tutorials. It's my hope to continue as I develop this site to continue to create videos that I can share with my team. So I currently just have one video posted on the front page about SnapType, which is a tool that is a pretty cool iPad app. So, anyways, my goal is to try to post a video or two every month about just a different tool that I want to highlight. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and go through the pages that I created. So the first one, what is assistive tech? This one just gives some basic information for people that might not even know where to get started. There's a video to watch. I really like this site that this links to. It just gives different things that can be low tech examples and mid tech and high tech, because there's a lot of things that of course, like a lot of people don't even realize that post-it notes could be low tech. So just some examples. So let's go back. That was just one of the links that I had created. There's just various things like this is through your child's eyes, little kind of like an interactive tool that kind of helps you see difficulties students might have with learning disabilities. Some articles, some webinars if teachers want more information. I've linked several webinars there. And then I have a reading and writing resources page. This page has quite a few Chrome extensions and a couple apps that I've shared, and a couple of them have videos. I won't click on all of them, but a couple of them have videos. A couple of them are just linked to the page where they can download those items. My goal was to share things that are mostly free. Now some of the things do have a subscription, a small like subscription, like some of the apps that you'll see. But for the most part, the things that I am trying to share with my team are things that are free that they can implement easily in their classroom. So again, on this page, I just have some articles that relate to literacy and reading and writing. I have a communication resources page. Um, this is for people who might deal with communication devices, core vocabulary, making picture schedules with lesson pics, past software, all those things. And I realize I'm kind of going through quickly. There's just a lot of links just for different stuff that I guess I've collected and has been of interest over my time as our assistive tech coordinator. Next page is hearing impairment resources. There's a really cool hearing simulator that I've linked. Some information on video captioning and how to caption your own video. And then a couple apps that are helpful for um, people with hearing impairments. Also, I have a visual impairment resources page. The cool thing about some of the resources that I really like on this page is that you can, it shows how to set up your devices for low vision users. So like there's a whole video with really good tips on accessibility features and how to set them up for low vision for either iPad or iPhone, Android, and computer. And there's also a couple links here on making Chrome easier to see, so accessibility features, and then making Windows easier to see. Again, another simulator for vision difficulties, and then quite a few apps that can be of interest for students or people with vision difficulties, and some articles also. And then I have a separate page just for kind of more like kind of general iPad apps and Chromebook tools that lists some things. And actually, I'm recording this video right now with Screencast-O-Matic, which I love, and just several things. And I guess I just hope to, as I run across more things in my searches, I will just kind of keep adding them to these kind of categories. And my videos page, this I will build over time. So right now it only has the video that I've posted now, but I hope to, like I said, I hope to post at least 1 or 2 videos a month, and then they'll all be moved, the old ones will be moved here, and then the front page will only have the current one I just posted. So this I hope to grow over time. And then when I talked to my director about making this website, she really wanted me to include information on the assistive tech evaluations, which I would be a part of. I have completed several, kind of as the lead, but she wanted also me to also just have a place for teachers to go and see what the actual steps would be. So I've linked the WADI, which is the tool that we use. I've linked all the documents here, but then also I take care of a lot of those things, but these are just this lists the steps that the teachers will know that this is their part to complete. And then also I have created a Google form that if a teacher has a student that they would like to initiate an evaluation on for AT, they can fill out this form right on the website. It's just a Google form, and it will go, email me with their information, asking, what building they're at, what areas of the WADI, what areas like they're seeing difficulty in, so that will help me initiate and get the paperwork started. And then of course that will email me when they submit that. So that's something my director really wanted, so I'm excited to implement that. And then the last page here is documenting AT in the IEP. So that's just a question I get asked a lot, like where do I put this? How do I document that we did this? So I've linked here the WADI guidelines for documenting AT, which is a already pretty extensive document. And then I've just kind of like, made it a little bit more user-friendly with the areas where it can be documented. So also at the bottom, you probably notice on every page there's a little my picture and a contact me. If you click on that, that also opens up a contact form, just a general contact form here, where teachers can say, some of the things they might be interested in, if they want me to research something for them, if they need some help with their IEP documentation, all those things that they can contact me, and they can initiate, help from me. So far, a lot of teachers will just email me, and that's fine too, but this could just be another way that they can request my services. So, and I guess I do have the last page as a contact me page as well, and that just opens up that it's just another way to find that form that they can contact me. So like I said, I am really excited to roll this out to my team. I'm excited to continue to build it in order to implement assistive tech in our district a little bit more effectively. And just I'm excited to have some of these resources I'm super excited about all on one page. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.